Hello friends, we welcome you to our channel. As you have read by looking at the thumbnail what we are going to talk about. Today we are going to talk about Photoshop Beta. If you have also downloaded the Photoshop Beta version and you are not seeing the toolbar, first of all go to the window and click on the window, and at the bottom it will say Contact Taskbar. As soon as we click on it, we will have a toolbar will be show. If you like our video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, so that every new video of ours reaches up.